Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a print-on-demand dropshipping business using Printify and Shopify in 2025. No inventory, no shipping headaches, and yes, it is still a great way to make passive income online. Let's get straight into it. Print on demand means you design products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases, but they only get printed and shipped after someone places an order. You don't handle any products yourself, it's dropshipping plus your own custom brand. First of all, head over to shopify.com and start your free trial. Once your store is created, go to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Printify, then click Install and connect your account or create one. Now your Shopify store is linked to Printify and we are ready to create products. Inside Printify, click Create New Project or Create a Product. View Printify catalog like that. Then choose t-shirts and select the Start Designing button. Use the built-in design tool to upload your graphic or text design. Preview it on mockups like front, back, side, etc. Set the design from graphics like that. In the back side, you can add a design like that. You can choose select variants like white sizes, ash sizes, color and sizes from here, and preview it like that. So cool. Now save the product button, then again log in, follow the instruction and click sign up or sign in. And it will automatically sync to your Shopify store. Click publish. and connect to Shopify and enter your Shopify link. Go to Shopify admin, then copy this link and paste here and connect. Now go to add admin panel of your Shopify admin dashboard, then select products, our online store, and update the title and description, make it SEO friendly and appealing. Add size charts, here instructions, add high quality images or mockups, set collections like t-shirts or best sellers, then click save. Before launching, make sure to set up Shopify payments or PayPal under settings, then payments, adjust shipping rates, Printify handles fulfillment, so use Printify shipping profiles. Test your checkout process using a free test order. Everything should work smoothly from order to fulfillment. You won't make money unless people visit your store. Try this Instagram and TikTok. Post reels of your designs or behind the scenes. Pinterest, great for visual niches like fashion or home decor. SEO, write blog posts around your niche. Run ads, use Meta or Google ads to drive targeted traffic. Start small, $5 to $10 per day, and budgets work when you are testing. Focus on a specific niche, pet lovers, gamers, funny quotes, etc. Use trending colors or slogans. Create limited edition drops to build urgency. Offer bundles or free shipping for larger orders. Remember, your store is a brand, treat it like one. And that's how you can start making money online with Printify and Shopify in 2025. Print on demand is still a solid business model if you focus on good design, niche targeting, and consistent marketing. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on design, ideas, marketing, or automating orders. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.